Okay, what's up guys? I'm Jackie and I'm here, my face is white. I'm here to give the people what they want and I'm what the people want. So, I'm kidding. I've tried to film this and my face is still white. So yeah, I tried to film this and I didn't like it because I just didn't like it. So I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna do it differently. At first, I did my entire face of makeup. But now I'm just gonna show you how I do my eyeshadow specifically. So if you're here to see that, or if you're here to see me embarrass myself, then keep watching. First thing I did was prime my eyes with this Maybelline primer. And I suggest for this specific primer, you give it a few seconds to a minute to completely dry. After my primer sets, I put on some Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And I do not set this concealer because I like the base to be wet for my eyeshadow to stick. And the only palette I'm going to use is this Morphe 15D palette. So to start off, I'm going to use this Morphe M573. So I forgot to put on my tape. So yeah, I'm doing that right now. So I mostly focus this on the crease and I bring it upward a little bit towards my eyebrow and I guess on the side of my nose, but it's really, really light. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you? Now I'm going to go in with this Morphe M433. And I'm going to focus this on, focus this on the corner of my eye, I guess like you could say the V. And I drag it down a little bit. And also in my crease, but keeping it pretty low, not blend it too high up with the color that I started with. Now this color, I'm keeping it very, very low and putting it in my inner corner V again. I'm blending it a little bit on my lid, maybe like halfway. What I do now is apply a little bit concealer to the corner right here, and it's not a lot because I'm not going to cut my crease or anything. Then I'll take my finger and blend it onto my eyelid. What I'll do now is take the lightest shade that we started with and just tap that onto the concealer. Now I am taking the Morphe E29. Now this part you can do with a pencil brush or one of these eyeliner brushes. I usually use a pencil brush, but I don't have any clean ones, so this will work fine. So what I'm doing is just very, very, very lightly tapping it into the corner of my eye like if it were eyeliner, but I'm blending it out really, really, really well. So I will bake underneath my eye and I don't get super close, I guess you could say to my lash line because I still want my concealer to be wet right there. So now I'm going in with the flat brush like this one. This is a electric eyeshadow brush. It came in like the Urban Decay electric palette. I usually use a pencil brush, but like I said, I don't have any clean ones. I'll go right underneath the eye and I'll follow along that harsh line where I took off the tape and just go back and forth to soften it a little bit. This is a Morphe brush. I don't know the name of it because it doesn't have a name on it, but it looks like a eyebrow brush. I'm going to apply this just on the corner of the eye. I will not drag this out so much. I will just focus it on the corner, make the ends meet a little bit, and blend it out. This is usually way easier with a pencil brush, and it looks more soft and clean, but I should have cleaned my brushes. So if you went in pretty harsh with that brown eyeshadow, you can grab a dense brush like I did that has a little bit, just a little bit of powder on it to blend it out. And then you can go back with that lightest shade that we started with and add the color back in. I'll bake one last time, but just to sharpen up the eyeshadow and clean anything up that is out of shape. So now I'm just gonna put on some eyelashes because I don't really have any. And I'll put in the description where I got these lashes from. They don't even have like, okay, when I got them, they didn't even come with the name or nothing. They came in a packet like this. I tried to look on the website and like their page, their Instagram page, to see if I could find something similar. And I don't know, like they're always coming out with like new eyelashes that look different, but they never ever put the name or anything. So I'm sorry. I also kind of hate that because I have like 2 lashes in this pack that I would definitely just buy over and over and over and over again, but I just don't know the lash name or anything, so that sucks. I mean, I don't know how they expect to like get customers because you're not labeling the eyelash names. You're always coming out with new lashes. Well, at least I think they're new because I don't know, like they don't look alike to like the other lashes that they have. They don't have names, so it's not like I could be like, oh, those are the lashes from 2 weeks ago that they just posted. I don't know, but I'll put it anyways. I didn't order these lashes. I got them in like a giveaway, so it's not like I just went on their page and ordered random lashes. It really sucks though because I would really buy these and I don't know which lashes they are. I don't know the name of them. And they all come in packets, which I don't really like because I don't like to buy things, kind of like palettes. I don't like to buy palettes if I only like 2 shades in there. But yeah, I've tried to film this before and it was how I did my entire face of makeup. I feel like this lash is like drooping. Watching, if you watched to actually see how I did my eyeshadow, then thank you. If you watched to just see me kind of like embarrass myself, then thank you, because I mean, you're helping me. If you guys want to see how I do like my face, like what would you call that, like my foundation routine, I don't know, like how I do my entire face naturally, because I kind of have like a natural face routine. I don't know what you'd call it. I have a natural one and then I have like a more not so natural, whatever. Let me know if you just want to see me do my damn face. Like, basically, I like doing this. Like, I like talking to the camera. I feel like I could be myself. And if you liked it, let me know. If you guys want to see me do specific other makeup things, or just you know, be a YouTuber, live that YouTuber life, then let me know. And thanks. What the fuck?